main cause of the dangers of survival right now is caused from meat diet. The more we stick to the meat diet, the more we need oil and other fuel, resulting in even more shortage in all necessities. So I suggest only one thing, just to go veg, be vegetarian, choose a vegetarian diet. Then all will cool down, all disaster will disappear. We will see how simple and happy life can be, and how we will think clearly, and how our heart will be more open, more blissful. We can understand many more things than we have up to now, and that we really can live with much far less than what we thought possible, and still be happy, survive, satisfied, and healthy.
Цагаан хоолтон болцгой, айгал орчноо хамгаалъя, гариг дэлхийгэ аварцгаая.
Please visit suprememastertv.com.